this beautiful residence. This is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bathrooms, 2 half bathroom home with a gorgeous ocean view. This is a private community with security 24/7. It's beautiful. Want to go see it? Come, follow me. Come and take a look at this beautiful, huge garage. First floor, we have this living room actually facing a yard. This is the yard, which you can open the whole window and make this an outdoor-indoor space. We continue on the first floor. We have 3 bedrooms down here with their full bathrooms. Here's the first one. They all have built-in furniture. Custom made, beautiful doors. So you only need to bring your mattress and your clothes. Second bedroom is the exact way the other one is, just the inverter side. This is the master bedroom. All of the home has this beautiful, heavy, custom-made doors. It's gorgeous. All of the wood is custom-made. And you have a desk, bed, closet, beautiful balcony. This is the master bedroom closet. It's huge. I say that I take this side and whoever else is going to take that side, but it's beautiful. It's custom made, of course. Over here we have 2 sinks, and you can pick actually your lamps and your mirrors, so you still have that chance. We have a big shower and a gel tub. That shower is enormous. Big, big, big with a shower head, with a rain head. So that's beautiful. Ready to go see the second floor? This is where the kitchen, the living area, and the awesome view are. Let's go. Now we're on the second floor. So over here we have a balcony that takes you to the city view in the back of the home. Right next to the balcony we have another, it's a bonus room, which could be maybe a gym, maybe a 4th bedroom, because it's got all the connections so you can add another bathroom. So all the connections are down there, it's ready for that. But this one has also, besides that balcony, it also has this other balcony. It has its own little terrace. It actually overviews the main garden or yard. And you can see through the ocean, way in the back. Beautiful view from here. Welcome to the kitchen area and family area and everything area. Look at this island. Oh my gosh, these are courts. It's got this awesome, huge faucet, sink. Everything is custom made. It's beautiful for entertaining. It's got a refrigerator, everything is included, a big pantry. It also has half a bathroom over here. And of course the gorgeous view. Whoa! Half a bathroom. These huge sliding doors, you can open them and have your party out here. You have all your family, your friends. There's barbecue area, a sink. This area also faces the yard on that side. And actually you can see the other balcony, and those walk-in areas just make it very easy to access the windows in case you want to clean them, you want to fix them, you have access. Very well thought of. Anyway, look at this gorgeous view. Have any questions? Want to see the house? Would like to see any of our other properties here in Ensenada? Contact me. I'm Laura Navarro in Ensenada. And just think, want to retire? Want to do any business over here? Contact me. Take care. Bye-bye.